Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're making scones, and for this I'm getting 100 grams batter or margarine and some sugar and 2 large eggs, some salt, some baking powder, some bicarbonate of soda, some vanilla essence, milk, sour milk or marisi, and flour, cake flour by Pembe. So let's get into it. In a bowl, I am mixing some flour, 3 cups of flour, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So obviously you can see that I'm using a tablespoon, but I'm measuring it in half. So I'm mixing it now with my hands, making sure it's thoroughly mixed. You can use a sieve if you have this close by. So breaking up my eggs, and to this I'm going to add my sugar, milk, and also vanilla essence. So you can add as much or as little sugar as you'd like, and I do not like too much sugary things, so yeah, I add a bit less. So now I'm making sure to combine the ingredients well. In a minute I'll be adding some more vanilla essence, just a little bit more of vanilla essence, and continue to mix. Now I get my dry ingredients and add my butter to it, and I'll be combining this with my hands. Make sure whilst you're doing this your hands are obviously clean, washed, and germ free. So now I'm just combining my butter and flour mixture. And don't worry, the mixture doesn't have to be perfect. Just continue combining like that. So now I'm creating a well in the middle of the mixture, and I'm going to add my wet ingredients in it. And you can use a fork or a spoon to combine, but I'm using my cooking stick to do that. So as you can see, I'm mixing. So I felt like the mixture was a bit soft, so I added some more flour, and to this I'm going to add my sour milk, just a bit of it, not everything. And in a minute again you're going to see me add some more flour, because I wanted it to have a certain amount of texture to it, not too soft but not too hard as well. Now I'm combining the mixture, just to make sure the flour is well combined, not to over mix it. We don't mind the small lumps. We just want the flour to be well combined. After doing this, I'm going to get my pan. You can get whatever you have. I don't know if you maybe it's a baking sheet or something. I have this pan right here that comes in the stove, and I'm just greasing it with some leftover butter, and to that I'm going to add some flour. Yeah, so you might have some parchment paper which you might use, but I'm just doing this yeah, as an alternative as well, so you don't have to make an excuse to say I don't have what to use to do this. You can as well just use what you have at home and get things done. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content. I will really appreciate. So I am not going for anything perfect. I just want to show you guys that you can really do what you want with what you have. Yeah, and I'm using my spoon to scoop out the butter or the scones, I don't know. You can see it was a bit sticky, so I'm using the fork as an aid as well. So this just goes to show that you don't have to have the perfect items, or everything just doesn't have to be perfect for you to put out content. I just want to do what I want to do and how I want to do it. So yeah, we're making our scones. In a minute I'll be putting these in an oven, preheated of course, at 260 degrees or whatever the maximum is of your stove, and we're going to bake them for at least 15 minutes, so you can see how they came out. They smell absolutely delicious. So yeah, this is the finished product, and I added some glaze on top as well as some icing sugar. Hope you guys enjoyed.